Let's do the Intense 5. Riri made the entire West Indies team feel better by showing up at one of their games in England. Turns out that one of the coaches of the team used to be her high school PE teacher.
Cartel is a proud daddy and shared his joy via Instagram when he found out his daughter Adiana passed for Wilma's Girls. Congrats, Adiana.
Woohoo. R. Kelly wants his ex-wife Drea to go to jail. He says she's going on several media outlets and making false claims, which he says has contributed to the destruction of his career. I kind of think it's too late to be blaming someone for that.
Oh my God, R. Kelly, just shut up and go. Coffee hit 50 million views on her YouTube channel with the hit song Toast. Big up Coffee. Toast, yeah.
And finally holding the spot this week. The Reggae Boys won't make it to the finals, but they played well. Enough love to the Reggae Boys. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to send your list to our IG and Facebook pages at TVJ Intense.